Evening. So last class yesterday we completed backup and restore. So today we are going to discuss scheduling jobs. Scheduling jobs are automation of jobs. By configuring scheduling jobs, we can run the tasks at a specific point of times. So scheduling jobs are two types. One is at job. It executes the jobs only one time. So one-time jobs you can specify by using at command. So when the job is executed, it removes the job from job list. So it deletes the job. Next to cron jobs. Cron jobs. Cron executes the jobs repeatedly until we delete the job manually. So at automatically when executes it remove automatically, but to cron job we have to remove manually. So these are the jobs we are having. At job executes the job only one time. When the job is executed, it removes the job. Cron jobs runs the jobs repeatedly until we delete the job manually. So everyday tasks, repeated task. So in real time scenarios, we have to write in cron jobs. Every day evening 6:30 p.m. take the backup of Oracle updated files. Every Sunday morning 9:30 a.m. take the file system full backup. Every morning 3 a.m. update the server, like that. Whatever the repeated tasks we are having, so we have to write in the cron jobs. So one time jobs, today evening 5 p.m. run this job, close, we have to go for at job. So we are going to see practically at jobs and cron jobs. So now check the terminal type. TTY is the command. You can check in which terminal you are working. So /dev/pts/0. PTS means pseudo terminals. PSEUDO pseudo terminals. P is silent. So we can open number of terminals like this. Here we can open PTS 0 to save the job. Control D to see the job ID is ATQ. So to write a at job at space now plus 2 minutes. At now plus 2 minutes. What you want? I want to get a message welcome on my terminal /2/PTS0. Enter Control D to save the job. D for Delhi. So to see the job ID say TQ job ID number 1 day to time it displaying. Now when 2 minutes will come, so it will execute the job automatically. The job is going to be removed. Now wait. welcome message command to the terminal, then job is going to be removed. Now see, welcome message came. Now check ATQ. So job is automatically deleted. So it executes the job only one time. Whenever the job executed, it removes the job. Now we can see some examples of at command. At now plus 1 month. So you can go at now plus 1 week, at now plus 1 month, at now plus 2 months, at now plus 1 year, at now plus 2 years. Like any option you can give. At now plus 1 month, user add Rasu. To save the job, control D. At 5 p.m. Friday, what do you want? tar cvf /root/var .tar. Yesterday only we seen the backup commands /oracle. So take the backup of oracle files and directories. Save the job, control D. Friday means today only. Next Friday it will take. If the time is gone, so September 4th, next Friday, because today already time is over. So next at 9:30 a.m. August 15th, echo happy Independence Day. Send the message to the terminal who logged into this terminal. PTS 0. Enter control D. Now you can check ATQ. So here it will show the job ID to 2020 September 28th it will run. Next to 2021 2021 August 15th it will run. So next one 2020 September 4th will run. So the thing is, in interview point of view, they will ask the question. Here job ID is it showing the time and date, it's showing when they are going to be execute, but which task we given, it will not show here. So you joined as a Linux administrator, you are starting working with Linux server, you given the command ATQ, it shows only job IDs. So they will ask in interview the question, which tasks they given, how do you know? So to see the at job tasks, go to cd /var/spool/at. Go to this directories, var spool at directory, give the command ls. Now check the file cat space a4 zeros, every file starts from a4 zeros. Give the job id 2 or 3 or 4, whatever it may be. If you want, you can give that one. Enter. Now you can see the task here. Last one, user add Razu. The task is given Razu, creating the user account. So you can open this file manually. So go to that particular syntax user add Razu. So insert a new line. You can write also another task also you can add. So they will ask the question how to add a new task in the particular same date and time. Open the particular file. Go to last line where the task is written. Insert a new line. You can write a new task also. Like this you have to tell in interview. To see the head jobs, go to var spool at directory cat a4 zeros job id 3 for example. Tab, give the tab key, enter. Now here tar cvf. This is the task we given. Now how to remove the head job? ATRM job id 2 I am removing. So ATQ job id is removed. Now by default every user can use the edge. So I want to restrict the users to use edge. Now open the file vi space /etc/et.deny. Now here I am writing the username. Who are the users are there? Anvesh for example. Write down the user whom you want to restricted. Save the file. Now see, in Linux or any other Linux flavors or Unix flavors, by default there is a deny file is available in the system. It means all are yellow for that particular task. So here deny file already there means all are yellow. So open that file, deny whom you want to deny. If there is a yellow file is there, all are deny. To whom you want to yellow, you can open the yellow file, you can write. But here all are yellow. That is the reason deny file is there. All are deny. So then you can get yellow file. So now switch into Anvesh, su space hyphen space Anvesh. Now give the command at. So it give the message you do not have permission to use at, because just now we restricted Anvesh. Now come out from this. So like this you can use the at jobs. Now cron jobs. So cron executes the job repetitively. All the cron jobs we have to write in a file, that is the crontab file. So open the crontab file. Command is crontab space hyphen e. Open this file. Now write down star 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 5 stars space echo welcome, send the output to the terminal /2/pts0. Save the file now. Now I am not mentioned any time here, date here, nothing is mentioned. So I given by default 5 stars. So by default 5 stars means every minute. So every minute it will send the message on terminal welcome, 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 welcome until you delete manually. So by default 5 stars means every minute the task will run. So as a Linux administrator you have to mention the date, time, month like that. So we are going to edit the crontab file. We have the specifications of these stars. So first I will explain the specification of stars. See here welcome message came. So like this it will come every minute welcome, 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 welcome. It will come the messages. So what I am doing, I am removing the task because it will disturb our work. So I am opening cron tab file again. So how to remove the cron tab means cron tab space hyphen e escape dd, delete the line. Now save the file. Now cron job is deleted. Now again I am opening the file. So before going to opening that, I will explain specification of stars. So first star indicates to minutes. So minutes means 0 to 59. Second star indicates to hours, 0 to 23, 24-hour format. Third star indicates to date of the month, 1 to 31st. Fourth star indicates to month of year, 1 to 12. Sixth star indicates to month of year. Fifth star indicates to day of the week. Zero to 6. So 0 means Sunday, 1 means Monday, 2 means Tuesday, like this. 6 up to 6 means Saturday. 0 to 6, Sunday to Saturday. So by using these specifications, so we have to configure the cron jobs. So depending upon what, see, generally they will give the tasks. So they will send a mail to you. These are the tasks. This is the specific point of time you have to write. You can log into these servers. So you can write these jobs. They will give like that. So documentation will compulsory they will provide. But the interview point of view, we have to know how to write the cron jobs. Now I am opening the file. So first job, every day evening 6:30 p.m. take the backup of Oracle updated files by using tar command. So what I have to every day evening 6:30 p.m. So first star minutes 30 minutes 6:30 p.m. p.m. means 24-hour format 18. Which date? No date. Which month? No month. Which day? No day. Every day. So star star star. So then run the task. Tar UVF to take the backup of updated files slash root slash vara.sar slash oracle. So like this you can write the task. So every day evening automatically 6:30 p.m. it will take the backup. Next to every day morning 3:30 a.m. take the backup, sorry, take the, update your server. So every day we are going to update our server. Up to date you have to make it the server. 0, 3 a.m. or 3:30, whatever it may be. 30 minutes, 3, star, 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 M update. So automatically every day morning 3:30 am your server is going to be update when the low peak hours. So that is the early morning they will make it update your server. Next to every Sunday morning take the backup of entire Oracle file system. So Sunday morning 11:45 for example star star 0 means Sunday. So dump. So yesterday we seen this command dump 0 means full backup UVF slash root slash vara.bkp entire file system backup this one slash to slash sta 6 or 7 whatever it may be. Now it will take the backup every second Sunday morning. So second Sunday when will come? So every Sunday means every Sunday, first Sunday, second Sunday, fourth, third Sunday, fourth Sunday, every Sunday it will take. They will ask the question in interview every second Sunday morning. So the second Sunday come between which dates? For example, 45:11. Same time I am giving second Sunday. So if the Sunday will come first date, second Sunday come 8th, second date 9th, third date 10th, like that. First week compulsory Sunday will come 1 to 7 days. So second Sunday comes between 8 to 14 dates. So between the 8 to 14th date when Sunday will come, take the backup. So this question, because sometimes they will ask in interview, you will confuse generally. So slash root slash hadoop.bkp, so our Hadoop file system every second Sunday we are going to take the backup slash to slash sta7 like that. So every month first date and 15th date afternoon 1:30 p.m. who logged into server, what they are doing, I want to know. 31 when every month first date and 15th date 1 comma 15. So 8 to 14 means between the days. If you give 1 hyphen 15 first day to 15 days, these 15 days it will take the information of who logged into server, what they are doing. But here I am giving 1 comma 15 first date again next 15th date whatever the day. W is the command to see the users who logged into server, what they are doing. So users.log. So automatically that information stores in the file. As a Linux administrator you can check users.log file, then you can get the information who is logged into your server, what they are doing on first date and 50th date in every month. So like this, depending upon the requirement, so you have to write the cron jobs in a crontab file. Now save the file. Then to see the cron jobs, crontab space hyphen l. So these are the cron jobs we written. So if you write any wrong syntax, it will give the error. It will not allow you to save the file. Shows there is a syntax error in crontab file. Please rectify the error. So everything is fine. Now how to write a cron job for user? So as a Linux administrator, you can write the cron jobs for users. So users they can write their own cron jobs. But as a Linux administrator, you can have the permission to edit any user's crontab file. So crontab space hyphen eu unvesh. So unvesh. So see here. Now enter. Now I am writing a cron job for Anvesh. Every morning 6:45. Whatever the work doing Anvesh, by night maybe he is the night shift. So morning 6:45. I want to take the backup of his files. So tar updated files tar uvf. So slash root slash anvesh.tar, whatever anvesh.bkp. So slash home slash anvesh. So what Anvesh is doing every day, night shift, what is he is working? Morning 6:45 automatically backup will run. So whatever the work he is doing, I can check in the backup. Like this you can write the cron job for a user. Now I want to check the cron jobs of users. So go to where spool cron directory. Here you can give the command ls, it shows cat anvesh cron jobs it will display, cat root cron jobs it will display. To see the users cron jobs, where is the location? The location is slash where slash spool slash cron. Then you can see the usernames. You can give cat command, you can check the users. Next, in interview they will ask another question. I given all the cron jobs, all the edge jobs, every syntax is okay, but the jobs are not running. What are the reasons? They will ask the question. So everything is fine. Edge jobs I given fine, cron jobs I given fine. There is no syntax errors. So, but they are not running. What is the reason? Then you have to check the daemons. Daemons is nothing but service background process, whether the service is running or not. So cron job daemon is crond. See, the daemon of cron job is crond. See, they will ask what is the daemon of cron job? Crond. Edge job daemon is atd. So these are the daemons. Whether they are running or not, you have to check. The command is chkconfig list atd. So see, these are the run levels. Already we discussed in our previous classes. Run level 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Run level 3, run level 4, run level 5. The cron job, the atd daemon is running. So this is service is on. So how to stop the service? So if it is stopped, if you give the cron jobs also, edge jobs also, it cannot be run. So that is the reason they will ask the question. Everything is fine. Why they are not running? Check the daemon whether it is running or not. What is the command? They will ask chkconfig list space atd. So they are running. How to stop the service? They will ask the question. Chkconfig. For example, I am telling you chkconfig atd off. Now you can check chkconfig list atd. See, run level 3, 4, 5. So the daemon is off. Now if you give atd edge jobs also, they are not going to be run. How to enable the service? They will ask the question. Again, chkconfig levels means run levels 3, 4, 5 atd on. Now you can check again whether they are on or not. See, they are on. So like this, any service up to RHEL6 by using chkconfig command, you can check whether the services are running or not. If they are not running, just using the command chkconfig levels service name on. If you want to stop, chkconfig levels run levels numbers service name off. Like this, you have to on or off the services. To see all the services, chkconfig list. So all services it will display which are on, which are off. So crond also same syntax. chkconfig list crond see on. So like if you want to off, chkconfig crond off. If you want to on, chkconfig levels crond on. So this is the scheduling jobs. Now how to restrict the user to use cron jobs? Vi /etc /cron.deny. Open the file Anvesh. Give the name, username Anvesh. The file is crond. Open this file. So username Anvesh. Now switch into Anvesh user account. Su space hyphen space Anvesh. Now use the crond command. See crontab command. Crontab. You are not allowed to use this program. So because the administrator restricted you to use this program. So this is the cron jobs. To delete a cron job, open the file crontab space -e, which cron job you want to delete, go to that line. So escape dd, v8 commands only, save the job. So like this you can configure the cron jobs. This is a important task and daily task on real-time servers. So as a Linux administrator, day-to-day tasks you have to change and you have to add. So every day we have to work with cron jobs. So today we are going to stop here. Tomorrow we are going to start networking part. So part 1 is completed, standalone administration is completed. Tomorrow onwards part 2. So Linux networking classes will start. So how to configure the Linux operating system in the network, how to configure the telnet server, how to configure the SSH public keys, how to log into different systems without passwords. Tomorrow class we are going to discuss. So is there any doubts? Please ask me. So everybody is available tomorrow. Is there any programs, weekend programs?
Yes, sir.
Everybody is available.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tomorrow networking we are going to start. Tomorrow onwards we are going to use two machines. So up to now single machine only we used. These are the standalone administration part. Tomorrow onwards we have to use another Linux operating system. So server client we are going to discuss. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good night.
Okay.
Good night, sir.